Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am iteshamarie. So today I got something a little bit different from y'all. I'm going to be giving y'all a tutorial of how I do my press-on nails at home. It's so easy, so quick, so cute, and they look so professional. I don't know if y'all know this, but every time y'all see me in nails, they are pressed on my nails. And lately I've been addicted to these nails that I've been buying off of Amazon. But these nails are from BTartbox and they are bomb. So in case you were wondering, they are what I have on my nails right now. I've got some shorties on right now because I don't know, I've just really been into short nails and really functional too, because I have a job where I'm like always on the keyboard. So it's just easier for me to have short nails. On me right now, I've got 3 of them. These are the ones that I have on, but I also have them in Coffin. This is medium length Coffin. On me, they look pretty long. And I've also got just like these nude short, are these Coffin or are these square? I don't know. One of the things that I love about these is that they come with so many sets of nails. You can get 10 uses out of this one box of nails, and these last me for at least a week before I start like to soak them off. This is how the pack of nails come. This one has 10 rows of nails in one sheet. You get like 15, I think it is, on one side and then 15 on the other side. It literally looks like I went to the nail salon and got my nails done. I'm gonna show y'all a little zoomed in photo over here before we get into like a real step-by-step of me showing you how I do my nails. The proof is in the pudding. What you're gonna need if you want to do your nails at home, you're gonna need your BTartbox nails. You can get these right on Amazon. I'm gonna leave everything linked down in the description box for y'all so y'all can just go ahead and pick them up. They have from extra short, medium, long, extra long. You can get Coffin, stiletto, square, almond. You can get white tips, you can get black tips, pastel tips, metallic tips. But yeah, you're gonna need your BTartbox nails, a gel top coat, your rubbing alcohol, and a nail glue. Enough talking. I promise y'all, this is gonna be so easy. If I can do this, I promise you can do it too. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I start out by having everything laid out here in front of me, and all that I do is I take these, I figure out which nail fits my actual nail bed. So what you want to do when you measure your nail bed to the artificial nail is you want to take it and place it on your nail to all the way back to your cuticle. You want to make sure that the nail fits from one side wall to the other. After I measure out all of my nails, I lay them out right here in front of me. So now what I do is I take a little cotton ball that's soaked in alcohol, and I get all of like any oils or any residue that may be on my nail beds, and this is going to help the press-on nail to stick better. So what I do first, I take my glue and I squeeze one dot onto my nail bed, a hefty dot, just like that. And then I spread it with the tip, but I make sure that I spread it all over my nail bed. If you get some on your skin, don't worry about it. Just make sure you have some Q-tips nearby so that you can clean that up. The trick to making your press-ons last is not only applying it to your nail bed, but also applying a dot inside of your actual press-on nail. Not too much, and then spread it inside of the nail. Here's the trick to preventing air bubbles. You want to take your press-on nail, put it right at the cuticle, and as you guys can see, I have a little air bubble there, right there at the top to where my cuticle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let that go, but I'm going to take my thumb and press down until that air bubble disappears, and I'm going to hold this down for about 10 seconds. As you can see, there are no air bubbles in my nail bed. So I'm going to continue to go through this with each nail until I have all of my nails applied. A tip for avoiding air bubbles is just to make sure that you are applying enough glue. So I know that some people say that they press down and they still get those air bubbles, and the reason could be that you're not applying enough glue. So like I said, make sure that you're applying enough glue to coat your entire nail bed, and then enough glue to coat the tip of the inside of your nails. And you'll have to adjust how much glue you're applying based on how big the press-on nail is. If you're finding that you're pressing down hard and you're still getting those air bubbles, it's probably because you are not using enough glue. All right, now that we've got all of our nails applied, you'll see that at the tip you have like this little, I call call it a hangnail, but this is from where I pulled the press-on nails off of the actual plastic. What you'll want to do is take a file and just file that down before you apply your top coat. Now I'm going to take my top coat. I'm just using the Madam Glam Soak Off No Wipe top coat. I am taking my top coat, I'm taking it right here at the base, and I'm just kind of pushing back and then bringing it right over the length of my nail. No need to double dip into your bottle of gel polish. Again, all you need is one thin layer. And as you can see, I am taking it around the tip. That's going to prevent the white from chipping off. Make sure that you are not getting this on your skin because that will burn once you put it under the lamp. And if you do happen to get it on your skin, then again, just take a Q-tip and wipe it off. Now I am taking my nails, turning on my UV lamp and letting them cure for about 90 seconds. I hope that you guys found that helpful. If you were thinking about doing your own nails, or just like if you were interested in checking out some different types of nails, or if you were just like trying to get some tips and tricks on how to do your own press-on nails at home, how to get them to last longer, then again, I hope that that was helpful. If y'all have any questions for me at all about this process or about the nails or any of the products that I use, feel free to hit me up down below in the comments. That's it, y'all. So thank you so much for watching. If you're not already, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of content, and make sure you got those post notifications turned on so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So thanks again for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. All right, bye.